Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to basically match any pack which is using custom entities. It's very simple. So first what you need to do, and what's the best to do, is you go to ModelEngine, you put the whatever blueprint you have and you put into blueprints, then you go into game, you write make reload, right? After you write this command, it will generate the resource pack, which is here and here. This is a folder and this is a resource pack in a zip. So what you need right now, well, if you have our merger, you need a zip. If you don't have it, you can use the folder probably as well, but I usually using zip. So you need to download the zip, let's say, and then whatever plugin you have, right? I don't know, maybe you have items or you have Vorax, and you have whatever plugin, literally for whatever you're using for resource packs, right? Usually they are using the same way, same method. So I'm using items for the resource pack handling. So I go to contents, resource pack. I found this folder. When I found this folder, that's what I need. Then I open the resource pack from ModelEngine and I just drag and drop it, right? I'm not going to do it because I don't need to. And same for the resource pack from the pack. You need this because it contains all the sounds, all the VFX. Yeah, so guys, many times I have seen tickets, I don't see this, I don't see that, I see flying iron ingots and things like that. This is because you did not merge these resource packs from the pack. This is everything which is in the pack is you need, unless you don't need, for example, schematic. You don't need schematic, yeah. Schematic is for the arena or whatever. You might not need it, but everything else you 100% need, yeah. So and then obviously you need mythic mobs, and that can be just drag and drop, right? Just like that. That's it. Yeah. Or you can sometimes certain packs having certain different things. For example, NPCs. Maybe you don't want NPCs. I don't know. Yeah. So you can delete it, but this is how you just do it. And then when you do all this resource pack merging, you go to game or to console. For items other, you just write EAZIP. For Vorax, and you just write. I don't remember all the reloading commands, but that's what you do. You're gonna reload the plugin for the resource pack. You send the resource pack to the players, and you're done. Then there are lots of people coming with, let's say, conflicting custom moderator, right? This is happening quite often, or atlases, right? So for this, I really suggest to either use our merger, which is going to be released very soon. Basically, it's nearly maybe next coming days, and then you just watch the other tutorial for the merger. But that merger will actually merge the resource packs, create the atlases, so you are really spared of all of this craziness around the resource pack management, right? You just drop everything into one folder and one click, that's it. Yeah, and lastly, obviously, you need to reload mythic mob, so reload after you put the new files. Now, one thing I have to mention is with ModelEngine, every single time, and I'm repeating, every single time you put a new BB file, you need to generate new resource pack and do the merging again, right? So every time when you add something new to the blueprint folder into ModelEngine, every single time you need to generate new resource pack, and that means you have to also merge this resource pack again. So because I've seen lots of times you guys complaining about models being this and that. Few issues. First issue is that when you put a new BB file here, you hit the make reload, but you don't apply new resource pack from the ModelEngine, and then obviously you see crazy models. You see completely, you know, it's just not working. Yeah. Second thing are atlases as well. You you just go screw up with something else somewhere else, and you just copy over the atlases with something entirely wrong, and then you see models with purple and black texture. Third issue is a compartment size, which I can show you right here. Is this is going to be this is no longer going to be a thing on ModelEngine 4. Yeah, this is just for now. And so basically what happens if you have too low number and you have too many models, it will not generate the bones for them, and it will look again weird. Yeah, I think this is pretty much it, to be honest. So it's pretty fast forward. There are not many issues. Usually it's all bound to generating new resource pack in the ModelEngine, but you are not applying it, so, and then you don't see the models properly. So yeah, so that's it. The summary is this: every single BB file at the very start of you open the pack, you put it into blueprints in ModelEngine. You hit make reload in game or in a console. Then you take the resource pack, you download it, put it somewhere, and then lastly you go to any plugin you're dealing with resource packs, and you just put the assets over assets, copy over. Or if you're scared and you just have too many of these, you just use our merger, yeah, and that would be literally it. So see you next time, right? Bye bye.